problem wants us to simplify a sum or difference of various polynomials here. So we have a bunch of different polynomials. So I'm going to do this in the way that I think is easiest to explain if nobody is there to ask questions, but when you're in class, ask me if you'd like to see an alternative method to this, which I think is pretty smooth but is kind of hard to explain. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look at this and first of all eliminate all of the parentheses. So this one's positive, so I'll just call it 8u squared plus 3u plus 2. This one is positive, so I'll call it 4u squared minus 3u minus 2. This one, sneaky enough, is actually a subtraction. So due to the distributive property, I'm going to have to distribute that subtraction or that minus through. So negative times negative would be positive. This is actually a positive u squared. Minus times positive is negative, so we get a minus 5u. And then on the last one we have a minus times a minus, so that's actually a positive, a plus. So now as I combine like terms, I can see I have 8, 4, and 1, understood 1 out in front, and 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so I'm saying a 13u squared. Then I see 3u minus 3u minus 5u. So 3u and minus 3u cancel, and then you're left with just the minus 5u. So here I'll put minus 5u. And in the last place we're left with a 2 minus 2 plus 1. Again, 2 minus 2 cancels each other out like before, and all you're left with is that plus 1 at the end. So your final answer after all simplification is 13u squared minus 5u plus 1. Okay, why don't you try this one on your own? So pause the video, see if you can do this one on your own, and assuming you gave it a good shot here, let's go see if we can do this together. So again, we have a 9u squared minus 5u plus 1. No need for any fanciness here because it was positive. This one's subtraction, so I'm going to have to distribute through that negative sign, that minusing. So this becomes a minus 5u squared plus a 7u, minus times minus is positive, and then plus 1, minus times minus is positive. The last one, no complication, it's adding, so that's 7u squared minus 6u plus 6. And so as we combine, we have 9 minus 5 plus 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. So we get 11u squared minus 5u plus 7u minus 6u. So negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. So I'm seeing a minus 4u. And then finally in the last spot I see a plus 1, plus 1, plus 6. And 1 plus 1 plus 6, that would be a total of 8. So I'm seeing a plus 8 on the end. So your final answer would be 11u squared minus 4u plus 8.